Now another example. Let us draw a block which is suspended by a string. Now, what is the action and reaction force in the diagram? All of us know that in the body, mg acts in the downward direction and tensional force develops in the upward direction. Now the downward force mg is balanced by the tensional force. So, that is why the block is at rest. But these two forces are not action and reaction forces. These two forces are equal and in opposite direction. But what is the action for this one? That we will explain by drawing the diagram of the Earth's surface. Now the Earth is attracting the body in downward direction, that is, mg acting in downward direction. This mg as action, the same force developed by the coin, this block on Earth, that is called a reaction for this force. Similarly, the block which is connected with a string, this block is pulled by the tensional force in this direction, and the string is also developing some reaction, or the tensional force acting on the body is taken as an action. That means, for the force developed by the tensional force on the block, an equal and opposite force is developed in string, but in downward direction. That is called as reaction. Let us again explain that. A block is suspended to a string. Now in this total system, all of us know that the block is mg acting in downward direction and tensional force acts in upward direction. The mg and tensional force are not action and reaction forces. Now here, the two forces are equal and opposite forces only. What is the action for the reaction? Now it means mg is the force acting vertically in downward direction, that is, it is the pull by the earth. The earth is pulling the body in downward direction, that is called the action. This block exerting a force on the earth is a reaction. Similarly, the force developed on this one by a ceiling through the wire is an action developed on the ceiling in downward direction is a reaction. So here, action and reaction need not be the equal and opposite forces on a single body. Here, action and reaction acts on two different bodies.